Welcome, beautiful souls, to Abundance River. In this second practice video, we continue our journey into self-love by forgiving yourself and letting go of past traumas. Forgiveness is a journey, one that requires patience and self-compassion. Know that with each step you take, you are creating space for healing and growth. You are not defined by your past, and today, you have taken a powerful step forward in releasing it. Remember that you can return to this practice whenever you need. You are worthy of love, peace, and healing. Let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold it. And exhale slowly. As you exhale, imagine releasing all the tension in your body. Let your shoulders relax, your jaw unclench, and your mind slow down. You are here, safe and supported. Allow yourself to let go of everything weighing you down today. This is your moment to begin the journey of forgiveness. Now, let's affirm the freedom that comes from self-forgiveness. I forgive myself for all my past mistakes. I release all feelings of guilt and shame. They no longer serve me. I am deserving of love and compassion, both from myself and others. I trust in my ability to heal and move forward. I release the past, and I am free to embrace the present. Open your eyes. Thank you for joining me on this journey of forgiveness. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into healing the emotional wounds from your past. Subscribe and continue your journey of self-love and healing with me.